Welcome back, my friends. This is day 30 of our 60-day senior fitness series. I'm so proud of everyone who's been following along. And if you're new here, join us right from today. Grab your sturdy chair, make sure you have enough space, and let's start our 3 easy daily leg exercises together. Exercise 1. Sit to stand chair squats. 50 repetitions. All right, my wonderful seniors, welcome to day 30 of our 60-day senior fitness series. Let us begin our first exercise, the sit to stand, also known as chair squats. One of the best exercises to strengthen your legs, hips, and improve balance. First, take your sturdy chair and place it on a flat, non-slippery surface. Make sure the chair is not rolling or moving. Sit comfortably with your feet shoulder-width apart and flat on the floor. Keep your back straight and your arms crossed in front of your chest. Now, when you stand up, press your feet into the floor, squeeze your leg muscles, and lift yourself slowly without using your hands. Then gently sit back down and repeat. Are you ready? Let us begin together, slowly and safely. Remember to breathe in as you sit and breathe out as you stand. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your back straight. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great work. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You are doing amazing. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Keep going strong. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. How are you feeling? Take a deep breath. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Fantastic. Keep your knees steady. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Almost there. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Excellent effort. 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Wonderful job, my friends. You have just completed 50 sit-to-stand repetitions. How do your legs feel right now? A little warm? Maybe stronger? That is exactly what we want. Keep that smile on your face, stay consistent, and share in the comments how you are feeling after this round. You are doing amazing. Exercise 2, seated leg extensions, 50 repetitions. Excellent work, my wonderful seniors. Now we will move to our second exercise of the day, the seated leg extensions. This exercise helps strengthen your thighs and knees, improves your walking balance, and keeps your legs active. Sit tall and proud on your sturdy chair with your back straight and your feet flat on the floor. Hold the sides of the chair gently for support. We will lift one leg at a time, extend it fully forward, hold for a second, and then lower it slowly back down. Breathe out as you lift and breathe in as you lower. Are you ready? Let us begin together and move at a smooth, steady pace. Let's start counting together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful. Keep breathing. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, feel that stretch in your thighs. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great rhythm. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway there, my friends. Take a breath and smile. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Keep those legs strong. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. You are doing so well. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Almost done. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, wonderful energy. 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Beautiful job. You have just completed 50 repetitions of seated leg extensions. I am so proud of your dedication. You should feel the front of your thighs getting stronger and your legs feeling lighter. Keep smiling because every repetition is bringing you more strength and mobility. How are you feeling right now? Take a deep breath, relax your legs, and give them a gentle shake. You are doing great. Remember to share in the comments how your legs feel after this exercise and where you are watching from. Let's continue staying active and strong together. Exercise 3, heel raises, calf strengthening, 50 repetitions. Amazing job so far, my wonderful seniors. You are doing fantastic. Now we will move on to our third and final exercise for today, heel raises, also known as calf strengthening. This simple movement helps improve your balance, strengthens your ankles, and gives power to your lower legs, which is very important for walking confidently. Please stand behind your sturdy chair and hold the backrest lightly for support. Keep your feet hip-width apart and your toes pointing straight forward. Make sure the floor is not slippery. Now, slowly lift your heels off the ground so that you rise onto the balls of your feet. Hold for a second at the top, then lower your heels gently back down. Keep your body tall, your chest lifted, and your breathing steady. Remember to smile and move slowly. Control is more important than speed. Are you ready? Let us begin together and go all the way to 50. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Keep breathing. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wonderful. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Feel that stretch in your calves. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, halfway there, stay strong. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Keep going, you are doing excellent. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Do not stop now. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, almost there. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Amazing strength. 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Wonderful work, my friends. You have completed 50 heel raises, and that means your calf muscles and ankles are becoming stronger each day. How are you feeling right now? Take a deep breath, shake your legs gently, and feel proud of yourself. From which country are you joining today? Let me know in the comments below. I love seeing seniors from all around the world staying active together. keep smiling, share this video with 5 to 7 of your senior friends, and I will see you tomorrow for day 31.